From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
As many businesses across the country were forced to come to a halt, the team at Robinson Brothers has been working harder than ever before. While our streets were silent, behind the scenes their staff were stepping up production, their focus throughout on keeping the team safe.
We started making changes straight away, markings near clocking stations, footprints, which have all helped, one-way systems in mess rooms.
The company now has many people working from home, a complete change to company philosophy.
What we've been doing is maximising the time we are at work by doing as much lab work as we can and building up paperwork to have, for example, one working from home day a week.
Having weekly company updates have also helped to stay informed about what was happening within the company in regards to COVID-19. And there's also been a huge focus on the mental well-being of our staff during this difficult time.
Well-being that begins with asking the simple question, how are you?
If you're going to ask that question, you've got to stop and listen. You really have to stop and listen. But not only stop and listen, you need to really engage with the person you're asking. It's all right to be not all right. That's in our kitchen where people go and kind of make a cup of tea. You look up and it's there.
Indeed, at the company's core is the importance of providing a positive, uplifting working environment and supporting mental health in any way they can.
During Mental Health Awareness Week, we had a number of sessions where we had an external facilitator came on site to make people aware of the signs to watch out for with regards to mental illnesses and how to combat mental illness. And that's been very, very useful. And one of the other things we had was Happy Memories Day, where everybody was invited to post something in the training room which was a happy memory, and it was very, very successful, and there's a big uptake on that.
Robinson Brothers has faced a big cultural change, but they're dealing with it together.
People might have the title manager on their shoulder, whatever, but that, it's all one team, and without the input of every single person, all the way down the channels, we just wouldn't have come through this the way we have, because every single person has a part to play in getting us through this.